Hey my little artists. Guess who we're drawing today? He's red, he's black, and he always looks super angry. Yup, it's our mighty little buddy, Baby Shadow from Sonic. Cute and angry, the best combo ever. Ready? Grab your markers, and let's go. Let's begin with his big angry eyes. Imagine water droplets that are slightly tilted, round and big on the top, and pointy at the bottom, like he's saying, "Don't mess with me." Draw one tilted water droplet, and then another, so they look like they're glaring together. Perfect. Right below the eyes, let's draw his mouth area. Just a soft curve or shape that gives him a grumpy but cute look. Right above those eyes, let's draw an inverted triangle. Upside down, a little round at the top and pointy at the bottom. This is Shadow's epic angry forehead symbol. Now from each side of that triangle, stretch out two pointy ears. Shadow's ears are like sharp little mountains. From the bottom of each ear, draw big spiky hair fangs coming down both sides. These are the secret to Shadow's power. Well, maybe. Sharp, cool, and swooshy. Shadow's hair is always ready for battle. We'll draw a triangle to show the inner ear part. So easy. Triangle in a triangle. Done. Let's draw his thin, powerful body. Start with two arms, just two straight lines on each side. Then add a little tail peeking out like a baby hedgehog wagging it. Now draw his big, clenched fists, all round and chunky. He's tiny, but powerful. Now his legs. Draw an upside-down V between the body lines, those are his legs. And at the bottom, draw his giant shoes. They're big, bold, and awesome. With red soles and black designs. Totally powerful. Complete his hedgehog hair by joining the lines from his hair fangs to the shoulders. Time to finish the cutest grumpy face ever. Add a cute but grumpy little smile. Draw a small nose just below where the eyes meet. For his burning eyes, draw an outline in a tiny circle inside. Fill that circle black, outline it again in black, and then, add yellow nerves around the inner black part. Like fire in his eyes. Now the cool part. Add a thick red curve at the top of each eye. That gives him that serious, "I'm ready for action" look. Let's bring Shadow to life with colors. Start with beige for his mouth area. Now pause. It's time for our magic trick to make the drawing pop. Go over your whole drawing with a thick outline. Watch your drawing go from nice to wow. Now fill the inner part of his ears with red. Add red to the forehead power triangle and to the top curves of his spiky hedgehog hair. And the rest of the hair and body? You guessed it, cool black. Let's move to Shadow's cool power rings, the ones on his wrists and ankles. Grab your bright yellow, and color all his rings super bold and shiny. Right in the middle of each ring, add a thin red line. Alright. Now it's time for the finishing sparkle. Do you want to add the red shadow aura? Then, let's go. Grab your red color, and let's make some magic energy lines around his body. Whoa, that looks so cool. And that's it. You've just drawn the cutest angry baby shadow in the galaxy. He's mad, he's adorable, and he's your masterpiece. Don't forget to show it off, to your friends, to your dog, even to Sonic. And if you had fun, hit the like button, subscribe, and join me next time for another epic drawing adventure. Bye my artists.